babies see clearly for the first time with their glasses. Some babies are born with weak eyes, needing the assistance of glasses to see the world around them. When they put on glasses for the first time, the world suddenly becomes brighter in their eyes, as if opening a new door. In those eyes, there is the wonder of discovery and surprise. It's the first step in each child's journey of exploring the world. And before embarking, don't forget to subscribe to support these memorable moments. It's truly sad that the boy couldn't see clearly all the beauty surrounding this life, but these glasses have changed that.
Hey, puppies. Hey, hey.
So handsome. Look at that handsome boy.
Hey, puppies.
Who can see those radiant smiles on his face without being captivated? That's genuine excitement and true happiness.
Hello, Piper. Yeah, go ahead and get her attention. Hello, Piper. Hello. Daisy Mommy. Hello. Hello.
I'm gonna cry. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. She looks like a Pixar character. So adorable.
Hello, Piper. Yeah, go ahead and get her attention. Hello, Piper. Hello. Daisy Mommy. Hello. Hello.
Seeing the boy wearing glasses and being able to see the beauty of life clearly, I am extremely happy. Let's give the boy a like for this adorable moment, shall we?
Hi. Hi, Papa. Oh my God, you can see better now, right? Oh.
All right, Kaden, remember Mommy and Daddy told you you're gonna get some glasses? Are you ready for your glasses, baby?
Let's watch this baby reaction together, shall we?
Can you see better?
If you enjoy the expression of this baby, please leave a like on this video.
Hi, what are you? Can you see so well?
Look at how excited she is. I'm feeling happy just watching. For the first time, this boy sees everything clearly around him. It's a great joy for him.
What do you think, bud? What do you think? Can you see me? Yeah, you see. You can see?
The boy was overjoyed to see everything clearly around him. The branches, the grass, and even the trash can. His mother even cried upon seeing his reaction.
Lonnie, put them on.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Ooh, look at eyes look so cute. Can you see? Wow.
At first, she resisted, but now she is completely overwhelmed by the scene before her eyes.
Lani,
Nathan, don't touch.
Lani,
You need them on so you can see.
Honey, look at Reagan.
Can you see?
Lani.
Look at Reagan. Can you see?
What do you think? No, man. No, man. Whoa. What do you think? Thank you. What do you think? What do you think? Who's that? Finley. Say hi.
The girl is really smart and adorable. Those glasses will help her see her beloved family more clearly.
Who's that? Finley. Say hi.
See how delighted the girl is to be able to see clearly everything around her for the first time in her life.
Can you see?
This boy teared up when he saw his parents clearly for the first time.
Do you like them? Can you see?
Look how
Yeah.
handsome you are.
Look how
Look in the
handsome.
mirror. He's gonna cry.
I know. Look at
You
mommy.
see so much better?
Can you see better? Yeah. Are you crying?
You can actually see your faces. Really.
Yeah.
Here we are. Taylor just got glasses. It's her first time trying them on.
Hi, baby girl. Do you like them? Yeah.
I think she likes them.
What do you think?
Let's watch this baby reaction together, shall we?
Hi, baby girl. Do you like them? Yeah.
Hi, buddy. That's the floor, Lars.
The boy is stumbling around because he's not used to his new glasses yet, which is both funny and cute. Let's give him a like for his effort.
It really is. Yeah, buddy. Are you walking?
Whoa! Look at you! Can you see better?
Wow.
Checking out your foot. Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
So adorable. Now the boy seems to be fascinated by his sock.
Look up here, buddy.
At first, the boy didn't want to wear glasses. And here's what happened next.
Yeah, your glasses.
Can you see?
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Can you see?
Look at the
Hi,
face.
baby. Let me
his
see.
face outside?
Hi, handsome boy.
Can you see?
Christian,
Christian.
open your eyes, buddy. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Munchkin.
You like
You like him?
So amazing. His beautiful smile made me cry.
Hi.
Hi, Munchkin.
You like
You like him?
Oh, my hand, should we see?
Boy. Oh, wow. Hello. Hi. Hello. You find Daddy.
Where's Dad?
How you doing? How you doing, little man?
You see Daddy?
Can you see Daddy? Hiya.
Look at that smile. What can you see?
Does this smile melt your heart? Please send a like for this beautiful smile.
Can you see Daddy? Hiya. Look at that smile. What can you see?
Here we go. Is that a bit funny? Yeah?
So touching. A very handsome little boy. Grow up strong and healthy, okay? If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to receive notifications when we upload our latest videos. And don't forget to share the video with your friends and family to enjoy interesting and meaningful moments together.